Hello everybody, filming at a random parking garage, and this car always stands out from the crowd. Just look at this. You got a sea of cars going as far as the eye can see. See there. And then I just come around, bam, it stares me right in the eye. Nice color, Lincoln town car. Second iteration. Very nice. Some damage here and there, but you know, these things at this point are what, 20 years old or so. Nice. This is, you know what, it doesn't actually say, so it could be the base model. It's got leather, so, oh, it says right here, Executive Series. Very nice. Got that hood ornament, got that everything. Few of those hubcap things missing. Keypad. Here, that one is okay. Let me see if I can catch it from the other side. Right here. Yep, that's the look. I love the color. Color is nice. Alright, I know this is not a town car, but this is this is just funny nonetheless. And this what is this? An Infiniti MX that has the rear bumper pushed in. But here you go. That's what I'm all about. Let's see. There we go. I'm not gonna climb through there. But is that a paint peel? Ah. Let's see. Can I focus on that? Yeah, that's weird. That's got peeling paint. Yeah, very strange. Okay, well, I'd still take that. I would fix that if I was the owner. Look at this. Is it some sort of a hail? Oh, you know what? It's probably been through hail. You can see like a lot of little dimples right there. But yeah, that's weird. Yeah, the sound quality is probably going to be crappy on this video, so I apologize in advance. Alright, here it is from this side, and from this side it actually looks a bit worse. There's some rust happening, and a chunk of it fell off. Is it something? Is that a tape on the mirror? Oh, come on. Who does that? Who fixes their mirrors like that? There's a million ways of fixing your mirror. That is not one of them. Alright, well, it's in worse shape than I originally thought, but you know, as I explore my day, as I go about, you know, I just find these things and I can't stop looking at them anymore. Alright, so here's a full shot of the side. Nice. I love how stately these things look. There is a random chair right there. Not sure what's that about. And the back bumper. A little bit here, a little bit there. Yeah, some rust. It's unlocked too. It's definitely unlocked. But yeah, this is sad. This shouldn't happen. Yeah, here's what's happening. I don't know if it's some sort of, never seen that type of damage before. It looks like a bunch of rocks hit it. Yeah, especially right here. See, I would fix this if I was this owner. But, you know, that's sad. No sunroof. Roof is surprisingly nice. Okay, alrighty. Well, this is another look at another Lincoln. See you next time.